it's Teddy Blue, and today I'm with my friend Samaya, and we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. So yeah,
that's fun.
Yeah, so I'm gonna look for her right now.
I'm here.
Where are you?
Oh my god.
Wait, I just need to make honey. Come to my house.
I'm here.
Well, my beehive.
You're all the way there? I'm far away from you.
You're only one place far away. I
wish my place was here.
Mm-mm.
Oh wow, you're making lots of honey. Let's go get some more honey. I'm getting more. Bye.
Level up one.
Come on, let's go. Oh, I found a coin.
I found one.
Coin. Oh, I found lots of bees flying around. No? Nidhi, let's go. Oh, Teddy Blue. Well, my friend's real name is Nidhi. Well, so we can't.
Oops, I accidentally muted myself. I'm gonna move up there. I need to change my thumbstick.
It's gonna be fun. You know. Oh yeah, I got full. Nidhi, do you want to come to my one?
I'm just gonna do.
Do you want to come to my place?
The D-pad. One sec.
Going, bye. Trying to get more.
So actually no, I'm gonna do the thumb pad. Yeah.
Come on, hurry up.
One sec. Ooh, I got a blue.
This is fun actually because
blue bumblebee.
Oh yeah, this is mine.
Not bad. Anyway, I'm gonna.
Not bad. We're next to each other.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Dynamic.
Look, follow me, friend.
I know.
This is where my place.
Yeah.
And
anyway, so.
And I really like it. So.
I don't know. Oh wait.
It's gonna be fun because. I'm making lots of honey right now.
Let's see. Where is Mother Bee? Oh, she's on. She's right here. Here, put that away.
I'm making lots of honey.
Mother Bee! No, Mother Bear! I'm here.
Oh, I saw that too. Wait, it means me too. Where are you?
Blah, blah.
Where are you?
Blah, blah, blah.
Where did you get that?
Huh?
Where did you go?
I'm going to.
Where, Bear?
I see you.
Oh, my bee's following me! My bee's following me! You have to come here. Where are you?
I got one ticket.
Look at this. My bee. We're bee.
I know, but look, where's my bee? Oh, look, mine's a blue bee.
Where? Mine's a yellow bee. Oh, we don't have the same. Why do you have them?
I got it.
Oh, I'm full. Come on, guys.
How do you get more bees? Okay, I want to get more royal jelly. Oh, I can't.
I'm gonna get more. Wait, where do you live? Where is mine? Oh, there you are.
I'm gonna get some royal jelly. Yummy, yummy jelly. 6 tickets. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna make lots of bees today.
I'm gonna get some ladybug.
Where?
And a beetle.
Oh my god, you can't fight that.
What do I do?
I'm trying to make honey. I'm wasting. I'm wasting lots. Millie, are you getting lots of honey? Millie?
Yeah.
Well, my best
friend. Beetle.
My best friend is actually Millie. My best friend is actually Millie because she was.
Oh, I forgot that I was playing.
Millie, where are you actually?
I'm going to my place. Oh wait, wait, what?
Where are you going?
To my house.
Oh, okay. Where did you
guys, I have to end the video here since I don't really have enough time. So yeah, bye.